Hello boys, today's lesson is for class 4 and 5. In this part, I will tell you about the elements of PowerPoint. Now let me show you this one slide here. Now if as you can see, this is PowerPoint, isn't it? Now these are called tabs. If you see it, file, home, insert, design, these are all called tabs. Okay. Now let me highlight this. Yes, if you can see, and file, these are called tab. File tab, home tab, insert tab, design, transaction, animation, slideshow, review, and these are called tabs. Okay. And now, and this one, this is called the title bar. If you see here, if you see, it's called the title bar. If you can see the title, can you see the title here? This is called the title bar, and the title bar is for class 4 and 5. So this is the title. Okay, so this is called the title bar, and this is called the quick access bar, quick access toolbar, this portion. Okay, can you see this is called quick access toolbar. You can save from here. This is save on, this is undo. Okay, and this is redo. So this is called the quick access toolbar. This is called the title bar, and then when you go here, this is called the in this title bar at the right side here, this is the minimize button, restore and close. If you restore, then it changes to maximize. Okay, guys. And these are, this whole area is called the ribbon. If you see this now, just below the title bar, this is called the ribbon. It contains multiple tabs. Like, can you see file tab, home tab? So it contains multiple tabs, and the tabs contain various commands divided into groups. Like for example, in slideshow, can you see from beginning, from current slide? Okay, into groups. Now let me go to home tab. If I click on home tab, can you see? So this is the home tab, and these are called groups. Okay, cut, copy, new, layout. So these are groups. Okay, now we go to dialog box launcher. Now let me show you where is dialog box launcher. Now first let me highlight this one. Now can you see here this portion? Yes. So I can click here. So it is an icon that appears in some groups, so not in every group. Okay. At the bottom right corner, now on clicking this, a dialog box opens that provides more commands related to that group. Okay, now let me click here. So can you see all the commands? Yes, the commands are here also. If you can see, the commands are here also in this font group. But from that dialog box, you can see the commands here also. Okay, so it's up to you. Either you can go from here, but there are more commands here. Okay, so in dialog box launcher, you have more commands related to that group. Okay, like in this font, we call it font group. We call this font group. Okay, now you can close it. Now, what is slide navigation pane? Now, this area is called the slide navigation pane. Okay, this one. The slide navigation pane allows you to view all slides in your presentation. You can see all the slides. Suppose I enter one more slide, let's say. Okay, so you can see. And now I've told you in theory classes that how to insert slides, isn't it? Yes. Now in this, you can add, delete, duplicate, rearrange slides in slide navigation pane. Okay, now suppose I want to rearrange, I want to bring it down, this one. I want to bring this slide here. Can you see? So all this is done in slide navigation pane. Now, suppose I want to delete this, right? I can write, I can press delete key, okay? Just highlight this and you can press delete key. So you can delete also. If you want to insert, I told you, you can press enter, or from here also you can insert. I have told you many options. Then you have ruler. Today I'm telling you the elements, means parts of PowerPoint, okay? Now this is the ruler. Horizontal ruler and vertical ruler. Can you see this? Yes. So you have two rulers. One is vertical and horizontal, okay? This is horizontal and this is vertical. Now, where do you get this? Now, if you see, let me go to view. This is view tab. Okay, can you see ruler here? I have to, if I uncheck this button, yes, it has disappeared. Now check this button again, check this box. Can you see this? Yes. Wait, huh? Yes. So you'll get the ruler. Now, what is slide pane now? What is slide pane? If you see this area, now, this area, this is called the slide pane. This is called the slide pane. The current slide, now this is the current slide, okay, is displayed in the slide. Now, if I go to this slide, so this slide will appear. So in the slide pane, the current slide is displayed in this area, okay, at the center of the PowerPoint window. This is window PowerPoint window at the center. Now what is, now let me go to placeholder. Let me go to placeholder. Now if I come here, let me go here. Okay, let me go to a new slide. Can you see? So you can add text to here. You can type something here. So this is called the placeholder. This is a placeholder. This is a rectangular box. This is a rectangular. It can hold text, images, anything. You can insert image also. You can insert any picture. So this is called placeholder. Now, boys, can you see here? Can you see here notes? Is there notes? Yes. Now, if I click here, can you see? Yes. So I can add notes. If I want to add something extra, I can add notes here. Okay. Now let me close this. And what are comments now? The reviewer, okay, can insert comments. If you want to insert comment, you can insert here. Okay. So yes. Now let me close it. Now let me go to, now what are these now? These are view buttons. What are these? These are view buttons. Now there are 4 types of view buttons. Let me come here. If you see, this is called normal view. If you see what happens, can you see normal view? Yes. So it is the default view. It is the default view. The view shows the slide navigation pane and the slide area. Okay. I told you this is the navigation area, navigation pane, and this is the slide pane, isn't it? So when you click here, you see navigation pane and the selected slide. Okay, this is a slide. So you can see from here, from which view? From the normal view. Now let me go to slide sorter. This is slide sorter view. Now it displays thumbnail all the slides in the, only you can see the slides. Okay, yes, the thumbnail slides. Now let me go here now. Now this one is called, now let me go to, wait, let me go back again. If you can see now. Yes, so this is the, can you see slide sorter? Let me go slide sorter view. Okay, and this is the normal view, this one. Okay, this is the normal view. This is slide sorter, and this is reading view. Now, what is reading view? It hides all the editing tools. If I click on here, I will not get this editing tools. Okay, I will not see this tabs and all. Okay, let me show it to you. Can you see? No tabs, nothing. Okay, now if I press escape key, again it will come to this view. Okay, normal view. Then you have slide show. This is the slideshow. Now, if I want to run the slide, I'll just click here. Okay, can you see? Yes. Now let me press escape. Okay, escape key. Now, so these are 4 types of views. Okay, now let me go to this one. There's a slider here. Okay, to zoom. Can you see? Yes. So actually this is zoom control. It's a slider here. So basically by default it's 100%. You can zoom it, okay, or zoom in and zoom out. You can zoom in or let me make it 100. Okay. Now scroll bars. Again, if you see, can you see this? This is the scroll bar. I can bring it down. Can bring it. I can scroll up. Okay. This is the vertical scroll. And then one is horizontal. Okay, bete? Can you see? Yes. So this is vertical and horizontal. So boys, this is for today's lesson. In third part, I will tell you how to create presentations, how to add new slides, and how to apply themes. Okay, boys. So yes. So and boys, please, if you have a computer, please try. Okay. And do some learning work also. Okay, boys. Bye.